Hey there. All right, well, we have a new product alert. We have a new winter product, and with the weather today, very cold and very windy here in Pennsylvania, I feel like it's the perfect day to talk about this new product. The new product that we have coming out right now is our Barrier Restore 113. Okay, Barrier Restore 113. So, really quick, I want to take a minute to just educate you on why you may want or need this product and who it's great for. So, first, I want you to know, what is your natural skin barrier? So, your skin barrier is your stratus corneum. It's the layer of your skin that keeps all of the moisture in and all of the bad things out. So, pollutants, irritants, all that stuff. And so it's a really important thing, your natural skin barrier. And if your skin barrier is off, you're going to see specific things like dryness or flakiness to your skin. Your skin may be more red. You might have tightness or discomfort, or products that normally didn't feel like burny or itchy that you've been using for a long time all of a sudden feel burny and itchy, and it's kind of like you don't really know why. And you might start to get increased breakouts or maybe some skin infections going on. So those are all signs that your natural skin barrier has been compromised. And so what we need to do is heal that natural skin barrier. So what is your skin barrier made up of? Your skin barrier, you want to think about it like bricks and mortar, okay? The cells are the bricks and the mortar is what keeps it together. It's the glue that holds the cells together. And that mortar is made up of ceramides, fatty acids, and cholesterol. And so the 113 in this Barrier Restore is 1 part ceramides, 1 part fatty acids, 3 part cholesterol, because it's mimicking what is naturally in the mortar. And so what starts to happen as your skin barrier becomes compromised, what could compromise it? Well, if you're over cleansing your skin, if you're over exfoliating your skin, if you have been out in harsh weather, so if the weather's gotten really cold and you're not using a moisturizer that can keep up with it, if it's very windy outside, you spend a day outside in the wind, if you have eczema or rosacea, all of those things can throw off your natural skin barrier. And so it can reduce the amount of ceramides, fatty acids, and cholesterol in your skin. So what we want to do with this product is help to heal the skin. So if you're someone who has rosacea, this is going to be a phenomenal product for you. It increases your natural skin barrier by like 43% within 3 hours. When you literally take a pump of this and put it on, now my hands are super dry, but when you literally take a pump of this and put it on and rub it in, your skin, instantly you feel like a difference, okay? And don't mind my nails, I need to repaint them, but you instantly feel a difference in the skin that you put it on. It starts to just feel so much more softer, smoother, hydrated, and it's going to work right away to rebuild that mortar that's between the cells or the bricks that are holding your natural skin barrier together. So, new product alert. If you are a preferred customer of your Mary Kay consultant, watch your mailbox because you're getting a free sample of this in our catalog that is hitting mailboxes right now this week. And if you're not, you can always ask your independent beauty consultant for a sample, or if you can meet with her to try it and see if it's something that would work for you. All right, so enjoy. We're super excited. It's going to be a fabulous product to take your skin through winter.